morning, people! We are heading to the beach. And to get ready, we're filling up the car. See you there later. Reach the beach, but it's raining. We are not aware. It's raining here in Wasaga Beach. We're waiting for the rain to stop.
It's cool here.
The rain stopped and we can finally go to the beach. Watch your step. It's a bit wavy today. We don't anticipate this weather today, but we are here to enjoy, so we're just gonna have fun, huh? Yeah, they did. Oh, yeah, you're right. Boys are digging to put the umbrella in while Daddy is setting up the chair. People are coming. It was so empty when we arrived. Everybody, I guess, was in the parking. We're putting this post in. Okay, come on, Marcus. Put the sandbank in. Put the water in, now, Tristan. Slowly. It's a concrete now. Alright, roll eyes up. Now I'm just gonna be chilling watching these guys while waiting for the sun to come out. It's still cloudy. Our boys are having fun. And this is how we make our day just as enjoyable as we can. Marcus, go check the water. Yeah, the water is warm. Right? Not as cold. No, Tristan? Okay. Give these birds some food. Look how they're coming. Look how they're coming. Oh, there's a lot of them. Yeah. Making castle with my big guy here. How's it working, Kuya? While Tristan is napping there under the sun. Sandwich time. Let me see. using the tunnel to connect both holes. My goodness.
Wow.
Connected, Marcus. Check underneath. Yeah, I can see the hole.
Wait.
Yeah, put something there. The red shovel. Walk in the middle, see if it's not gonna fall down. Come on. Ah, you make it so light. Come on, Tristan. Ah, you did it too high. Okay, stand in the middle. Stand in the middle for a minute. Ah, come on, Mike, it's your turn. Don't jump. Ah. All right, now see how strong? That means it's strong, and that's enough. It's strong enough. That's strong, eh, Marcus? No! No! Does your feet touch in the middle?
Yeah.
Underneath, let me see. Listen, does your feet touch in the middle? So the sun really came out. And it's packed now. I wouldn't expect earlier that this would come like this, but thankful that the sun finally came out. It's sunny and it's full of people, and everybody are just having fun. I'm going in the water with my boy. Hey, sweetheart! Yeah! Awesome!
Wow.
Give me a second. Give me a second, Kuya. Come here. Where is Kuya? Hi. Hi, Marcus. What are you doing?
I make hearts there.
Not on my leg. Because then it's gonna be cold. Oh, open. Hey, it's still open.
Yeah, we never did that when we were babies.
I know. I was just kidding.
Yeah,
Okay.
we did it one time.
Okay, I'm not gonna move anymore.
So much.
Is he coming? Oh, just enjoying and having a good time. This was a road before and they put so much sand on it. So the beach now is more wider. At the end, these boys are excited for beaver tails. Right there, right at the end. Keep going. I can see the sign. It's the world famous pastries since 1978. Slushy lemonade. Is it good? It's our first time to try this cream cheese, strawberry.
Oh, that should be good, man.
Check mahal
Should
ko.
be good, for sure.
Let me know. How is it, Daddy?
I haven't gotten to the filling, but yeah,
Okay,
it's good.
try the filling. There's two little guys in there, Daddy. It's okay. No. We are curious to see this plaza, so we are going in. Boys are playing darts. Come on, Marcus. Whoa! Wow! Come on, Marcus. No, do it hard. Oh, yes. Come on, Tristan. Do it hard. Up, harder, Tristan. Whoa, another one. Oh. Say thank you, sweetie. Oh, thank you. A monster truck.
I can smell my money on that.
7:30 in the evening and the sun's still up. Back up. Goodbye, Wasaga Beach. Time to go home. Can't wait for sunset. Feel like an hour and a half drive going home, and we still have to have dinner. So. Is dinner? This is for Daddy and Mommy. A big mom. Got your Happy Meal, Marcus and Tristan.
This is brand Big Mac.
What's your Happy Meal, sweetheart? So, will you have yours?